Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Rose Cabile. I live here in Quezon Province, here in the Philippines. I am 34 years old, happily married, and we have one daughter, and she's now 14 years old. I am first time to work abroad, but I work here as a nanny and helper for almost 9 years. My first employer as a nanny and full-time helper is November 2009 to April 2014, and they have 5 family members, 2 adult and 3 children. The children ages is 10 years old, 9 years old, and 1 year old. And my main duties and responsibilities is to take good care of 3 children, and also cleaning, cooking, washing, sometimes marketing, and also my duties is to take good care of 2 poodle dogs. And my second employer as a nanny is May 2019 to March to 2023. They have 3 family members, a mother and 2 children. The children ages is 3 years old and 1 year old. My main duties and responsibilities is to take good care 2 childrens, and sometimes also doing household chores. I am very dedicated and passionate to my work, so I hope you can give me a chance to as your nanny or helper. Thank you very much. God bless.